Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, Christmas lantern centerpiece decoration. I am going to show you how to make a beautiful Christmas lantern centerpiece. Show something elegant, glowing, and full of festive charm. It's super easy to make, and it will instantly bring the holiday spirit to your home. Let's get started. For this crafts, you will need a lantern, big or small, any colors you like, candles or fairy lights, some pins, cones, ribbons, small ornaments, artificial flowers, greenery, and optional extra like berries, snowflakes, or fake snow. First open your lantern and clean it well. If you want to change its color, spray paint and it golden, white, or red for the Christmas look. A soft shimmer or metal stone make it extra festive. Weavers and weavers. Now place your candles or fairy lights inside the lantern. If you are using fairy lights, go for the warm white ones. They give a cozy gold glow. If you use a candles, make sure it's in a safe glass holder. Friends and viewers, next let's decorate around the lantern. Take some pins, branches, or artificial greenery and arrange them in a circle at the base. You can glue or tie them together to keep them in a place. Then add pin cones, weight barriers, small ornaments between the leaves. It's give a rich, natural Christmas look. You can also add small golden bells, cinnamon stick, and or even a few candy squares for a fun touch. Don't forget to sparkle little glitter or fake snow to make it sparkle.